King FA lifted the St. Anne Major League Championship trophy on Thursday after securing a 2-1 victory over Black Stars at Draxall. King FA took the lead just 3 minutes in when a Black Stars defender inadvertently netted an own goal. Now, Daniel Reid sealed the win in the 52nd minute. Shamari Horton scored a consolation goal from the penalty spot for Black Stars in the 86th minute. The coaches of both teams, Veron Peterkin of King FA and Sean Malcolm of Black Stars, weighed in on their team's performances.
Credit to Black Stars. I mean, they gave us a run for it, but the boys stick to it. Took us a while to get discipline, but when we got discipline and took control of the game, the momentum switch, And fortunate for us, we got a deflection goal first, and then second we got a brace from the captain. So good performance by the team. Been working hard, So give it up to the boys, yeah.
Today, I don't think we came out with enough fight, enough spirit, and we conceded a very early own goal, and I think it kind of deflated our team from the very first half.
Now, King FA will now turn their attention to the JFF Tier 2 or the JFF Championship, which will begin on June 15 with a home fixture against the St. Mary champions at Draxall. In the third place playoff, former champions Exchange United clipped Monique 2-1 with goals from Gawain Taylor and Raheem Wilson in the 52nd and 82nd minutes respectively. Tevin Main of Monique notched his league-leading 9th of the season in the 23rd minute, but it was not enough to stave off defeat for his team.